Alright, hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about a bunch of stuff that I've gotten from Shop Miss A. So I've done two separate orders there before. The first one I was a little more conservative because I'd never bought anything from them before. So what it is almost everything on their website is $1. Now there are a couple exceptions. I will show you. I purchased one of the exceptions. Their brush sets are usually a little more expensive if there's more than like 2 brushes. The brush sets are just a little bit more expensive. So this was one of the items I purchased the first time around. This is a brush set called the Paw Paw Charity Brush Set. It's all eye brushes. You can see the plastic is still on some of these, so I haven't even used them. I guess I'm just kind of saving them for a rainy day. These that I have used, this one is an eyebrow brush. And these are all like crease brushes, detail brushes, things like that. These brushes are amazing. They're amazing. This set, it comes with the little thing that they go in, is like $10.55. And I highly, highly, highly recommend this. This is one of the best prices you're gonna find for a brush set like this. Definitely, if you're gonna purchase anything from Shop Miss A, if you need brushes, please look into these. I love them so much. You will not regret it. Now, on to the beauty sponges. This is the one that I've been using. It's a pink one. I purchased that pink one and a black one at the same time. I've not opened the black one yet, but I love the pink one so much that I, on my second order, purchased another pink one, a purple one, and a black one. This is the size of the pink one. This is my brand new pink one. This is the size it is when it's dry. And this is the size it is when it's wet. And they are literally the same thing. This one's pretty dense because it's dry. And then this one's pretty bouncy when it's wet. And these are $1 each. Every one of these colors is $1. I know that the pink one's great, so I assume that the black and the purple one are also going to be great too. So for $1, please, if you use those kind of sponges, they are fantastic. Please look into them. All right, the next thing I'm going to talk about. I bought one pair of lashes the first time that I ordered because I haven't been wearing lashes much lately. So this time around I got 4 more. This one's the AOA Studio Chloe Lash. This one is the Cara Eyelashes, number 747S. These are also the Cara. These are the number S5. And these are the Cara. These are number 110. And the reason I got all of these is they have the tiniest, tiniest band on them. Okay, I had to go looking. These are the first pair that I bought. These are also Cara. They're number 510. But look at this. This band is so tiny. I don't know if I can show it very well on camera. I'm gonna try. It is the tiniest, tiniest band, and it's so flexible. They're just wonderful. So I knew if I was gonna use lashes, here look, I haven't cut this one to my right size, but look at this. I mean, I know I haven't put it down, so it looks wonky and all, but look at that. Isn't that crazy? So anyways, if you like lashes, these are super dramatic, and they are all of them are $1. So I would definitely look into them if I were you and you were interested in lashes. So I'll talk about this first. The first time I ordered this AOA Perfect Setting Powder, it's not perfect. To me, I would definitely not use this for baking. For setting your face, maybe. I know it's only $1, so again, if you're interested in trying it, you can if you don't mind, like using $1. But I just think there are better setting powders. If you spend $5, you can get the Coty Airspun, and it's wonderful. So, and it's also like 5 times as big as this, so it kind of works out the same way. Right, the next items I'm going to be talking about are the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil. But anyways, this is about how much product you get. Here's what it looks like on the end. I used this today and it was fine. It's $1. So if you're interested in trying it, I would. I think it worked pretty good, especially for $1. I also used this today, the AOA Studio Go Brow, the fiber gel. Here's what it looks like. You know, I'd make sure to wipe off that excess before I used it. I also used it today, and I prefer other brow gels, more like the Rimmel one, or the one on the Revlon, the dual-ended one that they have, that half of it's a gel. I prefer those more than this. Again, it's $1, so feel free to try it if it looks interesting to you. It's just not my favorite thing that I've got from them. So I also picked up this Amuse Cosmetics Matte Long Lasting Pro Eyebrow Pencil, and this one's in the shade Dark Coffee. It looks to me like that's how much product you get. You also get a spoolie on the other end. It looks very, 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 very similar to the eyebrow pencil that I just tried. Oh, I'll show you. There's what the shape of it on the end looks like. They look almost identical, even though they are made from different companies. So I'm going to assume that that one's going to work good too. I'll use it in a video and let you know, but I haven't used it yet, so I'm sorry. I can't tell you my informed opinion on that one yet. The first time that I purchased from Shop Miss A, I got this Amuse Cosmetics Illuminate Pro. This just says Mix 1 Light. This is a highlighting powder. And woo, you can see all the kickback from where I've used it before. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand. I will say that of all the items that I've got from Shop Miss A, the highlighters, I put it right there. I'll put a little bit more. This is just kind of chunky. You know, I have cameras and lights and stuff in here, and that's not giving a whole lot of glow. So if I were you, I would definitely pass on this Amuse Cosmetics Illuminate Pro highlighter. I also picked up the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter, and this is in the shade Cream Puff. And I'll use a different finger to swatch it. And I'll put it here. That one, it's better than the first one. You know, so for $1, if you're interested in trying it, it's not terrible. I don't know. What do you think? I think that Wet n Wild is infinitely better. I think that the Maybelline Master Chrome one is infinitely better. Definitely Wet n Wild's better, and it's the cheapest option at the drugstore. So if I were you, I would just pass on these two highlighters from Shop Miss A. So next, these are items I bought and just got in the mail today, and I haven't got to use them yet, so I'm going to swatch them, and you're going to see my reaction like as I'm swatching them. The first thing is the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Gravel. Alright. I'm getting it in there. Ooh, that's really pretty. I do like that. So that is almost a, to me it's almost a lilac with silver gray tint to it. That's a very unusual eyeshadow shade, so I think that'll be fun to play around with. So I do recommend that because that looks really pretty. Alright, the next thing that I got is this Amuse Cosmetics Lusture Metals palette. It has 6 different shades in it. I have also not dipped into this yet. here's that top shade. And this next top shade right here. Ooh, that one's pretty, the second one. Then this kind of greenish shade I'm going to put next to that one. Ooh, that one's pretty too. And then this one next to it. Ooh. You can see it on my fingers. I put it on my hand too. But I might as well just show it to you on my fingers because that's really pretty. And then the bottom two shades are that one and this one. That's what they look like. And I'll put them here. So that's the whole palette right there. These are super pretty. I really like them and I can't wait to play with them. And I do recommend that. This is also $1. Alright, and the last thing I got are all of these Prism eyeshadows. I got all the funky colors. I'm going to just swatch them really quick on my hand. I'm just going to use a brush to put it on my hand so you can see what it looks like. Anyway, that's that one. There's one that's more purpley. This one's the more pink one. The one that I just swatched is the more pink one. Alright, and I'll put the more purple one next to it. Alright, that's the more purple one over here. There's not a whole lot of difference. The first one's just more pink. Then I'm going to do this orange one next. There's the orange one. Then I'm going to do this teal looking one. Oh, that color's pretty. There's the teal one. And here's the blue one. There's the dark blue one. And then the last one I got is this bronzy color. They did have maybe 4 more colors. They were like black, white, silver. That one's probably the most, you know, standard color that most people would be interested in. And this one's bronze over here. So the colors I didn't get were like black, silver, stuff like that. So alright, that concludes my video, my haul of Shop Miss A. I highly recommend all of the eyeshadows, the eye brushes, the sponges. Just stay away from the highlighters, that's my advice. If you like this video, just be sure to subscribe to my channel and you'll see when I upload the next one. Thanks for watching!